Hello everyone, welcome to Trap Shots with Nishan Krishna. I hope you are watching all my other videos in my channel. In case you like that, please do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to be notified on the next video. I have lot more interesting videos coming up. India, having the longest stretch of coastline, exhibits some serene, beautiful beaches. When it comes to a beach vacation, some of us look for a whole party scene, while some of us just want to settle down in a hammock and read by the sea. The great news is India has some of the best beaches, whatever you want your getaway to be like. In this video, I bring 5 of the best beach destinations in India that make a perfect beachside vacation. With its pristine beaches and breathtaking landscapes, Gokarna is a Hindu pilgrimage town in Karnataka and a newly found hub for beach lovers and hippies. Situated on the coast of Karwar, every year Gokarna welcomes hordes of tourists from across the world in search of sanctity and relaxation. The out-of-the-town beaches are a different contrast to life inside the town. Gokarna is not very conventionally touristy. The beaches are meant for a slow, relaxed holiday and everything on the beach goes at the same relaxed pace. Full of coconut and palm trees, the ocean and clean sands, Gokarna is one of a kind place in the country. Varkala is a coastal town in the southern part of Kerala known for the unique 15-meter high northern cliff adjacent to the Arabian Sea. It is popular for its hippie culture, shack on the cliff, serving great seafood and playing global music, and the samadhi of Kerala's saint Sri Narayana Guru. Varkala has some of the best pristine beaches, hills, lakes, forts, lighthouses, natural fisheries and springs. All of this together making this town a little paradise. You will also find a lot of shops with signboards in Hebrew selling yoga mats, oxidized silver jewelry and harem pants made of cotton. Ayurvedic spas, affordable resorts, hostels, clean beaches make it a must-visit city of Kerala. Home to few of the most beautiful and exotic islands and beaches of India, Lakshadweep lies 400 kilometers off the southwest coast of the Arabian Sea. The smallest union territory of India has only 36 islands, having a total area of 32 square kilometers. It is made up of 12 atolls, 3 reefs and 5 submerged banks, out of which 10 islands are inhabited. Perhaps the charm of Lakshadweep Islands lies in the remoteness. The islands, though all equally mystical and beautiful, each offers a unique blend of tourist spots. Some islands have been promoted for diving and water sports, still others have been developed so that people enjoy the charm of relaxation. Lying on the western coast, Goa is India's smallest state and unlike any other, known for its endless beaches, stellar nightlife, eclectic seafood, World Heritage listed architecture. Spread across just 3,700 kilometers, Goa lies in the Konkan region. It is a far cry from the hippie haven or a beach getaway and one of the only few destinations that is open 24/7. The laid-backness of Goa attracts as many international tourists as it does for Indians or even more so. For those perpetually confused between North Goa and South Goa, this might help. The state of Goa is divided into North Goa and South Goa. While North Goa is a nightlife hub where all the touristy beaches, flea markets and beach shacks are located, South Goa is a land of luxurious resorts and laid-back beach vibes. Replete with picturesque shimmering beaches, lagoons of turquoise blue waters, and a bit of history, Andaman and Nicobar Islands is a little slice of paradise tucked around 1,400 kilometers away from the east coast of India. The Union Territory comprises a total of 572 islands, only 37 of which are inhabited and a few are open to the tourists. Port Blair, the capital city of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, is the getaway to the archipelago and is connected with various islands via multiple daily ferries. Havelock and Neil Islands are some of the famous known islands among tourists and is known for pearly white sands, palm-lined shores, and offer some of the best snorkeling and diving options in India. So that concludes this edition of Trav Shots. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel in case you still haven't. Till the next edition, signing off, Nishant.